So I want to speak about this picture, Hubble, 15 September 2023, from NASA government. This is like a lenticular, they say lenticular galaxy. This is what I want to tell you, that this is a star, and this black stuff, it is what surrounds our galaxy. This is the star, and it is cold, it does emit its flame, but all what you see here, even these tiny little bubbles, are stars, and they all form at once. Our galaxy is a sphere. If you search here like Gaia, you see, I'm filming the monitor, it is faster for me to make this video. I promised myself to make like a 2 weeks daily vlog, so it is faster for me to do it like this. If you want to make a picture of the earth and make a map, you unwrap it, and when you unwrap the earth, you put it like this, like in this oval shape. You see Gaia survey, there's a satellite. This is our galaxy. They say the observable universe, but this is our galaxy, it's the sphere. When you make the map of the earth, I'm not going to show to you, maybe you are not this stupid, okay? This is our galaxy, and we do not see beyond this round this, and it is a sphere, and it is a sphere. You see Gaia, you can search, you see many waves of from the background microwave radiation. You see many how the stars move in a circle like this, in a circle. This is Gaia survey, okay? But there's many. So you understand this is a sphere, but this is unwrapped sphere in many ways, okay? So this sphere, in this sphere there's all the galaxies like this. Today pictures like this are simply stars and cold, and you imagine that they are put on inside the sphere, and the solar system is in the middle of the sphere, and these black clouds are still clouds, but they do not produce light. I've showed to you like this, like you see my internet receiver. You do not see the matter, only that points of lights, and you are believing that is void in my chamber, but it is not, okay? So it is the same manner. Here are these are stars. This is the way they look, and they are like put, and this is our galaxy, and we do not see the universe. And you see all the ancient telescopes, this is the ancient telescopes are like this. You see, they are with angles and degrees, because you cannot film only in a spherical manner. So you have an angle of rotation and an angle, two angles like this. All these old telescopes, you see, they knew this, and this Gaia stuff proceeds in similar manner around the earth. But let me show to you now like this. If you know this is the official channel eso.org. If you can enter here, eso.org. If you know this stuff, if you film with a long time exposure, the stars are circulating like this. So this is proving to you, because the planets move like this, but the stars are fixed. And if you film around the earth, this is from this S, you see, if you film around the earth, if they will go, so they are static, and there is North Pole star from ancient times, they knew this. And this is showing to you, because if they do not do like this, the stars, you will move, do not be a sphere. But this is proves to you that this is a sphere, and they have many things like this in this that's org, okay? So you see, you are believing that the stars is like isolated, a single star, and like you are being lied that Proxima are 4-year light years. But all the pictures that you see this cumulus of stars, this full points of stars, you see, and this is the Milky Way belt. And this proves to you the Milky Way belt, you see, it moves in that circles. It proves to you that our galaxy is a sphere. And the galaxies are stars from ancient times. From ancient times. I have many, look, in my computer, you see the best of them, you see? The best of them. The galaxies are stars put in clouds. In that sphere, there's Gaia. This is this sphere. And at the border of this galaxy that you are saying galaxies are put all these galaxies that they are simply stars, and they were known by 1700s. Messier knew cataloged many like this, okay? But you are believing that the stars are isolated like our sun. This is not the case. This is a star, this is a star, putting clouds, this is a star, all of it. This is a fixed star. They are not colliding. Gravity is not attraction. Okay, so the planets were calculated by in a geometrical manner with these telescopes, you see, on degrees, because you put on the night sky that this circular moving, this circular moving pattern of the stars. Like that, and you have like this, you know that is a sphere. You have these telescopes, okay, and Kepler observed how the planets move different. The planet means a wandering star, so it moves like this, it makes like this, if you know. The planets do another way. So if you have this angular stuff like this, and you put a spherical, you know, the distance of the planets are not calculated through mass calculation, but in a geometrical manner using this telescopes, okay, old telescopes, ancient telescopes. You can, okay, you see, look, let's focus. This is fast for me to make like this, so excuse me. I want to make a video per day. Maybe I put 2. You see, look, they had with degrees. With degrees, they knew degrees, they knew mathematics. So this is a Kepler. So knowing that, you see these angles, and 1 degree angle, 2 degrees angle, and you moved it and you film in a sphere, because the stars, if you are stupid, you do not know, the stars are moving like this. This is the North Pole star, and the navigators from old times knew this. Look, another one. You see, this is the way how the stars move in a circular manner, and you are believing that the stars are like a point, like our sun. This is tricks from. Look, let's go to the free page. I was at the 4th page. You can enter here. These are tricks for children. The stars are, look, another one. You see the stars are moving in circles. Let's see. Long exposure on North Pole star. This is our galaxy, and this is the clouds. This is not a gravitational system. This is a star. Putting clouds, this black stuff is clouds, like you produce lightning. And in all of you see they are in clouds. You see they are in clouds. Look, they're in clouds all over the place, and you are believing that they are isolated. This full of stars. You can go here on ESA, okay, and they have here you can download, like here, and this is a zoomable, like you see, you can give zoom here. So you go make a zoom, and you convince yourself what I'm telling you. You see, the stars are small and cold. This is a cold, empty, minus 250 degrees helium and hydrogen becomes liquid. And the stars are putting clouds in this cold, dark space. And there's an electromagnetic energy ignites them. There's a circuit here, like this. In this galaxy, round galaxy, only galaxy that you can know. This is not the universe. This is the Milky Way belt, and the galaxies are put like that, and the solar system. But believe me or not, it is the truth. This is writing with constellation, okay? So you see, this is how they work. And beyond this sphere, there's the universe. They exist, and there are some real bad aliens that trick the planet with this science. Einstein, particle, antimatter, all this crazy stuff, they exist over this, or beyond this. This is our galaxy, the sphere, and we cannot see the universe. That's why the Bible refers like the sky and the earth. And Saint Peter says that the skies were but old, but not these galaxies that I have, that I've showed you like here. Not these galaxies. This is our stars. This is our clouds. These are clouds. Look, let it charge. This is, look, clouds. Look, like. This is a star. This is a star. This is not a gravitational system. But you understand this. Our galaxy. Look, I zoom. I zoom in it. Look. Nice. You see? These are clouds full of pieces electroshocked and produced, and beyond these clouds that are put in a spherical manner like in Gaia. You see, the stars are small. Do you really believe that this is 4 light years between these stars, like they are lying to you, that the Proxima Centauri is 4 light years? With the speed of light between these 2 stars, you believe there is 4 light years, 1 light years? These stars are small, smaller than the moon. They were lying to you. These bad aliens, they exist. And they are beyond this spherical. The universe exists. But it's not what you are believing with that explosion billions of years. But if you do not know this, you enter this channel, you see this, you will not see point like star, like look, it's full, the sky is full of cloud, and this is a cloud. But we have like a tree installation from Christmas tree. You do not believe that it can be, and our galaxy was ignited at once. It was a big globular cluster, unignited, full with pieces, full inside with clouds, hydrogen, oxygen, full with pieces, and it was ignited like electromagnetic energy at once, voided inside. The planet remained suspended, and the stars were ignited with a second ignition, electromagnetic ignition. And we live in this sphere. We do not see the universe. This is tricks for, look, the stars move like this. For ancient time they knew, they like this. And they are filming still like this, and when they put, but the rest of the stuff is bullshit. Einstein, things for you to be tricked. Schrödinger, Einstein, quantum mechanics, all the things that stupid science. Stupid science. We have a real enemies, and they are lying to you with bad science. And I'm telling you, these galaxies, you will see this 99% are like this, like, how do you say, a parabolic antenna, because they're orientated towards us. 99% of them, if you see, you see, they are orientated towards us. 99% of the galaxies. And this is not colliding. You see here matter. You see matter. Look, you see matter here. You see, look, and this is not colliding. This is a cloud. This is a cloud, and there's an energy, like it ignites. And through this black stuff, I showed you my internet provider again. You see, you do not see. You are believing that it's void. There's not. There's matter, but the balls do not have the power. And you see that it is. You see, and this in this manner, and this is our cloud, ignited clouds. Okay, but this is what I wanted to I usually make from my table. You can zoom here. and you see that this is the way the stars are looking. Like they are tiny. They are tiny. You do not believe this. Look, look, look. There's globular clusters. Look here. Look here. You are believing that these stars like sun, like our sun? Look, like our sun, 1 year they will set themselves on fire. They will set. You see, not even this one is like our sun, big. And they are close, my friends. After Pluto, there's 1 day only. Believe me or not, but you must realize what it means, 1 day. Billions of kilometers full of stars. Not 100 miles, billions of kilometers full of with this point-like stuff. And it is ignited with electromagnet. You see, this is the border of border after Pluto. And all you can, you see, and you can go here. Let's go in page 2, okay, and from the page 4, and you see clouds, and there's fumes, carbon fumes, and they do not have even planets. They trick you. They exist aliens, but beyond this sphere. This is our galaxy. How do you name it? The Bible said the skies and the earth. And the Saint Peter says, but the skies were but old. But not that galaxies that you are saying. Beyond ours, beyond. Look, matter. Look, clouds.